With various carpet cleaning methods available, choosing the best one can be a daunting task. In this video, we will explore different carpet cleaning methods and help you determine which one is best suited for your needs. Steam cleaning, also known as hot water extraction, is one of the most popular and effective carpet cleaning methods. It involves injecting hot water and cleaning solution into the carpet fibers, followed by powerful extraction to remove dirt, allergens, and stains. Steam cleaning provides a deep and thorough clean, making it suitable for heavily soiled carpets and for removing deep-seated stains and odors. Dry cleaning, on the other hand, utilizes low-moisture techniques that rely on specialized cleaning powders or foams. These cleaning agents are applied to the carpet, agitated to loosen dirt, and then vacuumed away. Dry cleaning is a quick and convenient option that allows for minimal drying time. It is particularly suitable for carpets that cannot withstand excessive moisture or for areas that require immediate use after cleaning. Encapsulation cleaning is a relatively newer carpet cleaning method that involves applying a specialized cleaning solution that crystallizes around the dirt and debris. The crystallized particles are then vacuumed away, leaving the carpet clean and refreshed. Encapsulation cleaning is known for its fast drying time and effectiveness in removing surface-level dirt and stains. Bonnet cleaning, also known as absorbent pad cleaning, is a surface-level cleaning method that utilizes a rotating pad soaked in a cleaning solution. The pad absorbs dirt and stains from the carpet fibers, and the process is repeated until the pad becomes heavily soiled. Bonnet cleaning is often used for routine maintenance and can be an effective option for maintaining the appearance of commercial carpets. While there are various carpet cleaning methods that you can attempt on your own, professional carpet cleaning is often recommended for a thorough and effective clean. Professional cleaners have the expertise, equipment, and knowledge to choose the most suitable method for your specific carpet type and level of soiling. They can address deep-seated dirt, stubborn stains, and allergens, ensuring a comprehensive clean. When choosing a carpet cleaning method, it's important to consider your carpet type and any manufacturer guidelines. Some carpets may have specific cleaning recommendations to maintain their warranty and longevity. Always check the manufacturer's instructions or consult with professionals to ensure you choose a method that is safe and appropriate for your carpet. We hope this video has helped you understand the different carpet cleaning methods available. Remember to consider your specific needs, carpet type, and manufacturer guidelines when choosing the best method for your carpets. If you have any questions or need